Well, good morning, my fishing partners. This morning, I think I'm gonna start building a recessed tray for my trolling motor pedal. Everybody knows how much fatigue just the pedal sitting on top of the front deck is. You always off level with your feet, so this will take a lot of strain off my knees and back over time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm a welder by trade, and I got a good bit of little sheet metal right here. I think it's about an 1/8 inch thick, but I think this should be enough. This is what I'm gonna be working with. I got that. And I'm gonna use my dad's old stick welding machine, old cracker box, old AC 225. So it should work good. All right, guys, got the first piece cut out. Gonna go 14 by 10 and 4.5 inches deep. Just cut it out with my little jigsaw. Nothing special. I'm gonna just use what I got. Just trying to get an idea of where I'm gonna have to cut out the hole. I'm getting this built first, and then I'm gonna fit it in. That way I have fewer mistakes like that. I just put it in there. Fits pretty good. So go up like that a little bit. Perfect fit. Awesome. I like it. I like it. Well, got the top lip welded on. I don't know whether to grind my ugly welds down and paint over it or whatnot. It's been a while since I stick welded. But not too bad, but it's a 60-11 rod. They kind of stick a little bit. There's some older rods, but 60-10 would have did better. But hey, you gotta get what you got sometimes. That's ugly. Yeah, it had a gap. Hey, I'm happy with it. It's gonna do its job. I couldn't see paying $134 for a plastic freaking trolling motor tray online. I said, you know what? I got the materials in the backyard. I could build me one on iron and it'll last forever. So there you go. A couple more little things to do to it and be good to go. Alright guys, this is gonna break my heart, but I know I'm gonna like it in the end. I'm cutting out a big hole in my front deck of my boat. Yeah, buddy. Well guys, thank y'all for watching. Next time y'all see it, it'll be painted and installed. It's starting to rain right now, so I might wait till tomorrow to paint it. Alright guys, thank y'all.